Hey guys, Brian here. Welcome back to the shop. No Bailey tonight. We're social distancing. Got to be safe. So, got a job here that I'm not too keen about, but we'll see how it goes. What I have here is a tractor pinion shaft. Some of you probably recognize this as a John Deere shaft. Not sure exactly what it's out of, 4430, 4020, something like that. Anyway, the task I'm told is to make it look like this one, which I believe is a 4010 shaft. So, trying to change their ratio, which requires some machine work here. I see this bearing is smaller. Pretty sure the bearing goes right here on this one. And this is shorter too, so I gotta trim this back and something about a bearing here. Get clear with the customer exactly what I'm supposed to be doing here. But I'm pretty confident on this one. I'm supposed to turn this diameter to this. So we're knocking all this down to whatever dimension that other one was. So I've got this in here, chucked up, running true, and I'm just gonna see. I know this is gonna be hardened, so it's probably gonna be nasty. It's also interrupted cut, extra nasty. This will be a superior job for a cylindrical grinder, but I don't have one of those, so we'll see what happens here. If these inserts can handle it pounding, or if this turns into a mess. But as I get the lathe fired up and find out, it's only one way to know. I tell you, I don't like this. Try another 10. after working on this a little bit and seeing how the cutters were faring, talked to the customer about this job, and we'll try and send this on down the road to somebody that's got a grinder to do this job on. These intermittent cuts are just destroying the cutters. I've got a hard turn insert that would probably cut this okay, but I'm afraid the intermittent cuts would wreck it too. They didn't want to take the risk of tearing up a $100 insert just to find out. So just gonna call it a no-go on this one and just leave it here and let them try a different method. If that doesn't pan out, maybe we'll come back and revisit this, but I'm sure a grinder will be able to do this no problem, because that's how they did it originally. Well, I hope you enjoyed getting to see that little spark show, even if it wasn't really successful at turning this down. Not every project necessarily is a success, but you learn something from every one. And I learned from this one that all those interrupted cuts is a little too much for standard carbide cutters. And like I said, maybe CBN could have got through that, but again, the customer didn't want to take the risk of pounding out a high-priced hard turn insert to do this job. So we're going to send it down the road and let a grinder have at it and let them do it. So thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Catch y'all later. Here comes Bailey to approve the job.